Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth, honest insights on trending tech and home gadgets. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best espresso machine in its class. The MAttinata Espresso machine with automatic milk frother and steam wand. If you've been on the hunt for a semi-automatic espresso maker that brings barista-level quality straight to your kitchen, buckle up, because this machine is built to impress. The MAttinata Espresso machine immediately sets the tone with a sleek, brushed stainless steel design that's both compact and bold. At just 12.5 inches deep, 5.7 inches wide, and 12.2 inches tall, this is a compact unit that fits seamlessly into any countertop while maintaining a strong, industrial aesthetic. Now, let's talk about performance. This machine packs a serious punch with a 20-bar Ulca pump and a 1350-watt boiler. That means you're getting powerful pressure to pull rich, crema-topped espresso shots every time. What makes this even better is the gradient color pressure gauge on the front. It doesn't just look cool, it gives you real-time feedback on pressure levels, helping you perfect your extraction process and bring out the full flavor of your beans. One of the stars of the show is definitely the commercial-grade 10mm stainless steel steam wand. It's not just a decorative feature. This is a professional milk frother with cascade knobs for precise steam control. Whether you're making silky lattes or fluffy cappuccinos, the wand lets you texture milk just like a barista. The wand's control and strength make it ideal for anyone looking to master the art of milk frothing at home. The MAttinata doesn't just perform well, it thinks smart, too. It features a PID plus NTC brewing system that dynamically adjusts temperature and water volume. This is huge for people who want full control. You can fine-tune your brew ratios and temperatures using the programmable settings. With guidance from the included manual, it's a fantastic opportunity to customize your morning espresso exactly to your taste. Safety and convenience are also thoughtfully covered. It comes with built-in overpressure and overheating protection, along with a detachable drip tray that includes a red full indicator. And for peace of mind, there's a 15-minute auto shut-off function, perfect for busy mornings or when you're rushing out the door. And let's not forget the water tank. It's a generous 49 ounces and fully removable, which makes cleaning and refilling hassle-free. This machine is compatible with ground coffee, offering flexibility without locking you into pods. You'll also appreciate the advanced noise reduction technology. It's surprisingly quiet for a machine in this category. To sum it up, the MAttinata Espresso machine is more than just an appliance. It's a complete coffee station for your home, office, or coffee bar setup. With its combination of visual cues, customizable features, high pressure, and premium build, it's a compelling choice for both espresso novices and home brewing enthusiasts. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on which feature you'd want most in your next espresso machine. Until next time, keep brewing better.